Hi guys, welcome to this video. uh so oh my god, I am so happy even to tell you guys what has just happened. This is what has just happened. Imagine, you guys, I'm going to plant trees. I know some of you are like, kupanda miti si kitu excited, but me, I don't care. I'm just so excited. Let me show you something. Can you guys see how it's gonna rain? Oh god, I like rain. Like, me think this is the best season. Like, me like rain, guy. Kutanyasha. So I saw the memo yesterday, I think on Evans's phone at night, yesterday night on Evans's phone, saying that we'll be planting trees today. So I was so excited. I was like, immediately I saw that memo, I was like, I'm gonna apply for it. So I went. So today our SRC chairman was looking for someone to chill kidogo. Yeah, was looking for someone to like recruit so that they may go and plan trees at our sub-county hospital and also at primary school, a government primary school, public school. So there was like, I really wanted, so I told him I want, and then he seemed like he didn't want to choose me, so he went and then came back with one slot remaining and then asked the class, who would you want to go? And then the class like chose me. I was so excited. I'm happy guy. Na siwase kutanyesha, si kutanyesha, like you can see clearly kutanyesha. Yo. So we are going to plant trees. Oh, also when you're watching this video, it won't be the exact time, but I'll put dates. I've already actually put dates on when this is happening. So the Monday, the next week's Monday, is actually the government has said is a public holiday to plant trees. So the president, I think, is gonna come to our area, I think, and I hope I get to see him, and like, I'm just happy. So guys, I am going. Actually, I'm happy. Yo, like, this is not the first time I've ever gone to plant trees, but it's actually my second time when I'm in college. But this second time feels amazing because my day started with a bomb. Like, there's a video that I have 0 views, so I was like, God, please give me a sign, please, please, please. I'm going to plant trees. I am so happy. Yo. So I just wanna like prepare myself, like pick a dress. Imagine the dress that I'm wearing. I'll show you. It has a hole on my butt. Like, it is not visible, but you can, like, I know it has. The other dresses have like, it's hectic, you guys. It's hectic, but yeah. And I was saying I won't vlog, but I won't vlog anything but a vlog. Okay.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough.
Hi guys, so my earrings. So I wanted to, I'm from Girls Talk and I'm like feeling nice, so I wanted to show you something. I didn't want this to end up being a vlog, but it will end up being a vlog anyway. So yeah, I want to order some things and I want to show you. So yeah. I wanna order something on AliExpress. It's already Black Friday. You can see the logo over here. I'm eating nyanya, so I wanna order Christmas gifts, because the whole notion of Black Friday is to have Christmas gifts. Yeah, for someone, for Evans. Yeah. So you guys, can you see how many like things AliExpress takes? Yeah, so I'm buying something, that's why this one is here, this one. So one of the reasons why I use AliExpress, kwanza, their things are so cheap. So you guys know that China has over like 1,000 suppliers of different items. Like, I really love them. So another thing that I really like about AliExpress, and they have not paid me to talk, they are so cheap. Like, you get see like this anklet, you get all this anklet for 200. Kenya ulisikia wapi? You get all these rings for 193. Imagine. Yeah, so you guys should shop in AliExpress. It delivers in Kenya, and you'll be called with a company called Speedesfac. Speedesfac, exactly how I've pronounced it. Yeah. So also Kilimall is having their Black Friday. I use Kilimall because there's no Jumia in our place. So you see the biggest Black Friday in 2023. Yeah, so like their things are so discounted, and they always have flash sale. Yeah, so yeah, please shop with that. In this video was to air on December, but because I'm talking about Black Friday, it's gonna air on November. So yeah, and this, yeah. So imagine this phone. This phone is 22. This is Oppo A58. One was at 22,799, and you save 7,200. Imagine. And there's this Techno Pop 7. It's 13,000. Can you see, guys? Can you guys see the camera on that phone and on Oppo's phone? And you save like 4,000. Like, there was a watch on 99 bob for 99 bob, and it's already sold out. So so these are the payment methods that Kilimall takes. So you can pay with bonga points, by the way. So like 2 bonga points, it's 10. I don't know how much 2 bonga points are. Yeah, there is M-Pesa, iPay. I don't know what iPay is. Airtel Money, Lipa Pay. So yeah. Hi guys. So today is on Thursday. Yeah. So today our directive has come that our second group that was supposed to go to Mombasa for our psychiatry visit, it has like imepelekwa ikuwe ya kwanza, because there is something like the first group, majority of the members are going, they are part of the play or a skit. Yeah, and they have to present for December. I just feel so sad, like if I tell you, I've shed tears. Today we're in November, so we are like finishing exam. I like move out of my house, and then like we go, like this JR was like fully booked. Right now it's not fully booked. I'm like, what's wrong? But I thank God, because he has provided me with transport of getting there, and the 2,000 that is supposed to, like, that inahitajika huko. But I'm sad. Like, I was mentally prepared for January, so I'm just going to watch a movie and sleep, and then wake up to read, because I feel so bad, and I don't think we are going to plant trees. I don't know, because I heard like today the president's team was is coming to our KMTC to like see what he is going to be presented with. But I'm sad. Yeah. And there was a robbery at our place, by the way, you guys. But not in my place.
In my mind, that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me
Boo Boo's tree. Mine is this one and this one. I feel like it has a weak stem, but it's okay. Yeah. All these trees that you can see there, they are planted. They were planted, and there was a like something going over here, and there is a helicopter over there. I'm happy. Agaldem is happy. So today.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just?
So guys, we are from tree planting, and guess who was there? Guess. The governor. Our governor is Excellency Mutula Kilonzo Jr. And like, yeah. So on Monday they will also be tree planting, but I don't think I will go. I'm happy. Yeah, now I'm going home. So yeah. Guys, I don't know where I left you, but anyway, so I'm from picking my Kiliman thing. I'm so happy. Like, hawakuwa amenitumia message, so I'm like, kwani ilifika lini? Now this is Ivance's gift, birthday gift. I don't know, so like, I don't know. I feel like opening before him, but I'll let him have the honors. Yeah, I'm so happy on his behalf, because well, I've waited for this thing. I was like, Kwani Kuji? Yeah. So let's go unbox, and then I end this vlog. Yeah. Okay guys, so I've decided to open the thing, because okay. So here it is. So I'm using my front camera, that's why it's flipping. So let me open it. I have a scissors. I'm so happy. Oh yeah, they are. I bought him a P47. Yeah, I'm so happy. But the box is tiny. I did not expect the box to be that tiny. You guys gonna see his reaction. To come up with this a dual, this one, and it's charging thing. But you can charge. It's a type B, so you can charge it to your normal and these ones. Yeah. So we shall see his reaction when he comes. Yeah.
Sure.
Oh my god, you're not even excited. What?
Kuna nini chopsticks?
No chopsticks. I did not order them from Kilimall.
Ordered where? Ordered wapi?
Na AliExpress zitakuja over Christmas. That's your expression. No, it does that.
Let's see.
Okay. And it can extend. It can extend. It can fold itself. What's wrong? Haikushiki? Iko sawa?
You see the way it is minimal color green.
So you'll use it on tukienda SGR. You can hyperextend.
Nifanye hivyo lakini nikate. Both sides ndio.
Yeah.
Ndio nishiharibia mtu mwingine.
Hiyo utaharibu. Hii utaharibu. Yeah.
Kusha the Bluetooth. Ndio naweza kaingia hapa USB.
Really, you cannot connect that.
Sina connect hapa.
Wapi? Si hapo.
Connect to the phone.
Yeah.